Good morning, students. Today we will discuss the chapter Forms of Market from a microeconomics book. Okay, so in this chapter we will talk about the concept of market, then forms of market, then classification of market, and on the what basis markets are classified. Okay, so firstly we will talk about the market. So what is market? As the word came in the mind, then obviously individual normally person talk about the shopping complex. That market means going to the shopping complex or showrooms. Okay, but if we see from the economic point of view, this is not correct. Market means does not mean that it has a means shopping complex only, or we have to go and physically contact should be there with the buyers and seller. So it does not mean. It refers to the it does not refers to any geographical area. Normally it refers to the contacts of buyers and seller. It can be on telephone, or we can also involve in online shopping. All these concepts are related to the market. So market does not mean that there should be a geographical area where goods are sold and purchased. No doubt, normally we see market, if we see vegetable market, okay, grain market, then what we see there, that goods are sold and there are buyer and seller both are present there. No doubt this is also a form of market only, this is also called market. But if we talk in economics, then it does not mean that there should be a special geographical area of a market. Online marketing is also included in market only, this is also a market. Okay, so simply we market, we mean that contact with buyers and seller. It can be on telephone, electronic we mean that online marketing. Okay, so it does not mean that we have to involve only shopping complex. Okay, so simply market refers to exchange of goods and services where buyers and sellers take place. Okay, or we can say contact of buyers and sellers take place. Basically concept of market, that firstly we will talk. So if only there are buyer in the market but there are no seller in the market, means कोई भी market में कुछ भी बेच नहीं रहा है लेकिन हम लोग खरीदना चाहते हैं, then it is market? No, obviously from where we will purchase the goods? So both buyers means जो खरीदना चाहते हैं, sellers जो बेचना चाहते हैं, and price. Now the question came, buyers are present, sellers are present in the market, but price of the commodity, we don't know at what price commodity is sold in the market. So how it is possible to purchase or to sell the commodity? Okay, and availability of commodity is also important in the market. Then agreement means that at what price commodity is sold, the buyer at the same time is ready to purchase that commodity. So agreement also play a very important role in the market. So in concept of market we include buyers means those who want to buy the goods. So buyers are important. Then sellers, those who want to sell the goods. Okay, means seller want to sell the goods and buyers want to purchase the goods, then only there can be an agreement of goods. Now price should be decided of the goods, and commodity, availability of commodity. If buyers are ready to buy the commodity but availability of commodity is not available, then there is shortage of goods. So buying of goods will not take place in the market. Okay, then agreement, it is also important that buyers and seller make an agreement of price, that at what. So agreement of between buyers and seller is important, that at price should be like that buyers are ready to buy at that price and sellers are ready to sell at that price. Okay, now we will talk about the essential of market in economics. Means when we talk about, normally if we talk normally, then people say shopping complex, market means shops, showrooms, all these are markets. Okay, but when we talk about in economics, that what are the essential of market in economics? In economics, what are the essential मीन्स क्या चीज़ें है जो ज़रूरी है इकोनॉमिक्स पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से, मार्केट में क्या क्या चीज़ें होनी चाहिए. बायर्स, ऑब्वियसली बायर्स आर वेरी एसेंशियल इन द मार्केट्स. If sellers are there, means availability of goods is there, price is decided of the goods, and seller are ready to sell, but buyers are not ready to buy the goods, means demand of goods are not available in the market. Then how marketing will take place? Obviously there will be no market because goods are available but there is no demand for goods. Okay, so buyers and seller both are important. Commodity, again we talk about the commodity, that availability of commodity is obviously important, essential for the market because demand is there. Okay, buyer means buyers are demanding the goods, so buyers are there, demand for the goods is available, sellers are ready to sell the goods, but commodity is not available in the market. So what will happen? Means demand is there and supply is not in the market, then there will be no marketing. Then transaction is also very important. If transaction means if we want to take something, then we have to pay money in return of that good. Means for example, you want to purchase your economics book, then you have to pay 300 rupees and you will take your book. So there is transaction of goods, means you are paying money and taking your need good. Okay, next, meaning of market. So what is actually meaning of market in economics? Market is a mechanism or agreement. Okay, market is a mechanism or agreement through which the buyers and sellers of a commodity or service come into contact with one another. The main point is that buyers and sellers come into contact with one another. It does not means they are physically meeting or they are going to the somewhere geographical place. It only means with they come to the contact. It can be electronic, online or on telephone. Okay, and complete the act of sale and purchase of commodity or service on mutual agreed price. और what they do, they complete their act means जो भी उनको काम करना है सेल एंड परचेज का, कॉमोडिटी है चाहे कोई सर्विस है. मीन्स इफ़ वी वांट टू टेक एनी सर्विस, हमें अपने घर में कोई वाईफाई लगवाना है या कोई और सर्विस लगवानी है, कोई केबल लगवाना है, तो हम क्या है कि उनको फ़ोन करेंगे और उनको बोला जाएगा कि आप हमारे घर पे लगा के जाइए, तो वो लगा जाते हैं. उसमें हमें तो वो हमारे घर पे लगा के चले जाएंगे. तो उसमें हमें क्या है कि ऐसा नहीं है कि हमें कुछ पे करना पड़ेगा. मान लो केबल लगाने आ रहे हैं या कुछ और वाईफाई लगवा रहे हैं तो वो आके लगा जाएंगे, उनके बदले में हमने तो हमें वहाँ कोई जाने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ी, उनको हमने फ़ोन पे इन्फॉर्म किया और मतलब हमारा काम हो गया. वो सर्विस है, उसको हम सर्विस में इंक्लूड करेंगे, तो हमारी सर्विस, हमें वो सर्विस मिल गई. ठीक है, गुड्स है, मान लो ऑनलाइन अमेजोन, फ्लिपकार्ट, देयर आर स्नैपडील, मैनी टाइप ऑफ दैट online sites from which we can order our goods and that are delivery at our given address. So we are not going there and not purchasing, we can only order by online, means by phone. So the main point that market means an agreement or mechanism through which buyers and seller come into the contact with each other and they complete their act of sale and purchase of the commodity or service. Okay, next is market structure. So market structure, we mean in economics we will discuss different type of markets. Okay, means it refers to the types of market in which the producer or firm operate. So when we talk about different type of markets, then in which type of market a producer is producing or complete their process of production, that also vary from market to market. So there is also market structure. What type of structure, that we will discuss in next, like on the basis of classification. This is also can be the structure of the market. So in this we include perfect competition first. Okay, monopoly, monopolistic competition, oligopoly. So perfect competition, when we talk that this is a type of market, structure of the market, type of a market in which we talk about perfect competition, means there are large number of buyers. We will discuss one by one in detail in the next videos. Now we will talk about overview only, that what is perfect competition, in which there are large number of buyers in the market. Then monopoly means monopoly of one form only. For example, we can say in India railway, okay, means railway have monopoly on all railway transportation. Then monopolistic competition, it is somewhat like perfect competition, there are also large number of buyers and sellers. Then oligopoly, there is few firm in the market, okay, like Maruti, Toyota, all these are example of oligopoly. Okay, so we will detail and discuss in the next video. So students, read the introduction of the chapter from your book, also watch the video, and if you have any doubt, any query, you are free to ask. Thank you.